Hello, today we have a rear facing car seat installation. What we're going to do is first, we're going to take these two hooks. We're going to align them, make sure that their hooks are pointing down so that we can latch them into the bottom of the chair. The first one goes in this latch over here. Then you set up the chair cover, that way it doesn't scratch your chair at all. The second latch, as we pick up the chair, we latch it into the right, making sure that the tightening strap is over here so they can tighten it later. Also, what you want to make sure is that the lines are clear at the back. Right here, there's a button always above the tightening strap that you can press, and if you press it in, you pull on the straps here. That way the straps are loose and can be adjusted. Also, if you need to, right here, these straps are very easily detachable like this. You pull them out, and then you readjust them to the height that you need to for your child. And then very easily you just put them back in, and you reattach them just like so, right in there. And then you can just pull on here to make sure that they're tight in there, they're strapped in. And then next, you wind down on here and you tighten this chair. Now, some cars, you cannot recline the chair back like this on the sedans, so you have to sort of wiggle it in and tighten it, keep on wiggling and tightening it. But on cars like this, luckily you can lean the chair back, and as you've tightened it, now you can adjust your angle of the car seat for your child, and then you can just bring the chair back up and tighten it in place. Now, if you need to tighten it a little more, just push right here, and you wiggle it, and you push some more, and you wiggle left, and then you bring the chair back up, and now it's locked into place, securing your child, and everything's ready to go.